by just looking at it, 'di ba? Technically, a day in your life in one page, not really everything, but the important ones are here. So, syempre, you have to have computer and software skills. So, syempre, lagi tayong nakaharap sa laptop. 'Di ba? You respond to emails, you create letters, correspondence, and everything. So, dapat alam natin, not just the basic, 'di ba? Um, you manage schedules for coworkers. I'm not sure if this is something that you do, but if not for your coworkers, I think you have to also manage your own schedule, right? And sometimes yung mga events, yung kagaya nung sinabi ni Mai, di ba? You book, bookings, yung hotels, yung mga sasakyan na gagamitin and everything. But most importantly, clear, friendly, verbal, and written communication. So I think as an admin assistant, it's very, very critical to have a very good communication skills, to have very good communication skills, not just verbal, but most important, not just written, rather, but most importantly, verbal, because this is how we usually communicate with our workmates. And I'm pretty sure eto, agree kayo. You have to have extreme attention to details. Hindi pwedeng may makalimutan, hindi pwedeng may makaligtaan. Kasi a lot of people rely on you, right? As an admin assistant. So, administrative assistant perform, coordinate, and oversee office administrative duties while providing an extensive level of support to executive managers in reality. But based on how you describe your role, it's not just providing support or extensive support to managers, but to the division or to the group that you are a part of, right? So it's really supporting them. You also help managers make the best use of their time and are relied on heavily. Gusto kong i-highlight to, you are relied on heavily to ensure that work is handled efficiently and without the need for constant or direct supervision. So, kumbaga, kaya nyo nang gawin yung mga task na binibigay sa inyo. Hindi na kayo kailangang bantayan. You are expected to know the tasks given to you by your managers or by other managers. Madami talaga kasi maraming nga pala kayong sinusuport. 'Di ba? Or hindi na kayo kailangang utusan. May kusa, may proactiveness na nagaganap. Right? While for secretary, you maintains the smooth running of an office through a variety of administrative and clerical duties. You handle office schedules, coordinate meetings and visits, organize files, answer phones, and perform a huge array of other essential tasks. So yung other essential tasks, dito na papasok yung sinasabi ni Miss Menchi kanina na ang dami pang personal na inuutos nung boss natin. Right? Yung para lang sa kanila, para lang sa personal nila. So yan yung secretary. So to make it more clear for everybody, so let's look at this table, right? So supports top level officers for AAs or admin assistant, yes, you do. Diba sabi nyo nga, you talk to managers or even the boss of the managers, diba? For secretary, not necessarily. Sabi nga ni Miss Menchi and ni Maui kanina, may certain tao ka lang na sinusuport kapag secretary. Scope of work, if you notice, mas marami talagang scope of work si AA, si admin assistant, compared to secretary. Talagang may running errands talaga here. 'Di ba? Sa secretary. Hindi na talaga siya mawawala. Yun na yung nakasanayan. 'Di ba? So, if you notice, mas malaki yung scope ng responsibility and mas maraming kailangang skill and knowledge si AA compared to secretaries. Are we all clear? Okay. So now, I've mentioned the term effective admin assistant, right? So ano ba yung, what do we mean when we say effective admin assistant? So, the effective admin assistant builds a value for the business by supporting the executive in such a manner that he or she is able to more effectively perform his or her job. And I'm pretty sure it's not just you're not just doing your job just for the sake of doing it. So it's more of doing your job because you want not just yourself to be successful, but the people that you support to be successful along with the success of the organization, right? So an executive assistant is only as effective as the executive he or she assists. So hindi natin masasabing successful tayo if the people that we support are not successful, are not effective in their role too. Kasi nga, based on our definition earlier, you guys are heavily relying on. So your role as an admin assistant plays a very crucial part in the success of the leaders of your organization and in the success of your organization. Imagine ninyo paano sila without you, right? So now let's look at the some skills here, but it's not on the next slide, but the slide after next. I wanted to ask you. So since you guys are doing the role already, what do you think are the competencies or what do you think are the skills needed for you to be effective or to be more effective in your role as an admin assistant? Ano ba sa tingin niyo yung mga competencies na kailangan natin to be effective? There's no right or wrong answer. So since kayo yung gumagawa ng role na yan, sa tingin nyo, ano ba yung mga competencies na meron kayo? Bakit kayo successful? And ano pa yung mga competencies na tingin nyo kailangan nyo pang matutunan at ma-improve para mas maging effective kayo lalo in your role? Yes, Judith.
Siguro po ma'am, yung detailed oriented. Para po para po yung mga concern po ng other department is mas maano po, magawa po natin.
So you really have you have to have attention to details talaga. Very detailed oriented to Judith's point. Hindi pwedeng may makaligtaan. Hindi pwedeng, ay, nakalimutan ko po. Right? So, thanks
Yes
Judith for
po.
pointing that out. Yes, Miss Menchi, for raising your hand.
Being organized, and being multitask every time na kasi as admin kasi marami ka talagang ginagawa. So, you have to be multitask and organized.
I like
So,
when you mentioned be organized
yes.
kasi medyo mahirap gumalaw. Sabi, to your point, ang dami niyong ginagawa, ang dami niyong kailangan tapusin. If you are not going to organize the tasks that you have, medyo mahihirapan tayong tapusin yun on time.
Kaya I
And
have this things to do list. Lagi kong sinusulat. Para kung done na siya, kino-cross out ko na siya.
so you wouldn't miss out on a task.
Yes.
I like that.
Thank you.
So creating a to-do list to keep organized and to make sure that all the tasks are accomplished before
Yes.
the end of the day.
Pero hindi siya natatapos, ma'am, talaga. Nadadagdagan talaga siya. So I have to write it down again.
So when we say competency, so just wanted to define, it's our ability to do something successfully or efficiently. So I think what are the competencies that we need for your job? We highlighted four competencies that we think are very, very important for you to be successful in your role. So number one, people skills, right? So I think na-establish nyo na to kanina na you have to have people skills. You should know how to communicate. You should know how to approach people. You should know how to build relationship. I mean, professional relationship with the people that you work with, right? Um, Next is communication skills. importante yung communication skills. Agree? Why do you think as an AA, it is important for us to have communication skills in our role or in your role? Yes, Miss Menchie.
Ma'am, kasi kami yung tanungan ng bayan.
Tanungan ng bayan. Ayan. So, to Miss Menchie's point din kanina, di ba, bawal ang suplada.
Yes,
Kailangan laging nakangiti or look approachable, di
approachable.
ba? Ayan. And dapat ready sumagot sa mga tanong ng bayan, sa mga tanong ng ang mga tao. Okay? Work related, no? Hindi naman to other questions na hindi work related. Baka chumichika-chika na lang. Joke. Okay. So, aside from that, you're being, kayo yung pinupuntahan, people reach out to you to ask questions. Why else do you think communication skill is very important in your role? So not just verbal, I wanted to highlight, pati written communication is also important, right? In your role. So syempre, you approach other people, you communicate with other people, sometimes internal and sometimes external, 'di ba? Clients na you send email to, 'di ba? You respond to their inquiries, verbal and sometimes written. So very important na ma-master natin 'yan. And time management skill. Ito na yung sinabi ni Miss Mai pala kanina. So time management skill. So I think it's not just Mai who who what it's not just her who's a little challenge. Talaga yung word ko a little challenge lang. Challenge with the managing the time. But I think some of us, if not all of us, 'di ba? Sabi nga natin, um, we do not just spend 9 hours to accomplish our work. Some of us would even extend or come in earlier than the start of the shift just for you to accomplish more because you know that ito yung kailangan mong ma-accomplish in a day. And technical savvy, not very, very technical to the point that you're gonna open a computer and all, but it's more of the technicality, 'di ba? So you being able to access the computer, knowing how to send the email, how Microsoft application works, managing calendars and all those things. So these are some skills that you guys need to have.